How to fix TikTok camera not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix if the TikTok camera is not working, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to fix if the camera on the TikTok app is actually not working, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the TikTok application. And maybe you're trying to call someone, or maybe you're trying to post something, but the camera is actually not working. So first, if it is not working, it could be that the TikTok app is lacking access to the camera. So to fix it, you can go to settings by long pressing the TikTok app icon here, then tapping on the I button or the app info button here. Then from here, going to permissions and going to camera, and make sure that you allow the camera settings. If this doesn't work, then I would also recommend that you can actually just try to uninstall and reinstall the app and redo it and allow the permission when it asks. Or clear the storage, go to your Play Store or App Store, check for the update, and if it has an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.